guys, happy Saturday. I hope you're having a good day. I am. Did you know that the peace sign, which is my favorite sign and I've been using it my whole life, was inverted and it means something different? So we're supposed to go like that, I guess. I have to research it. If you know more, let me know in the comments. Are you out moving your body today? Getting some fresh air? I am. It's pretty amazing. Look at how beautiful it is right now. Of course, we have the courtesy jet noise pollution in the background, but what can we do? Okay, here's the crunchy boot deep snow test. And my feet are toasty warm. Woo! So, move your body. Much love. Stay sparkly.